YouTube. In this video, we will discuss how to switch between the different drive modes on the Kia Soul. You probably arrived to this video because you see a drive mode is activated on your instrument cluster and you may want to turn it off or turn it back to normal. I'm going to help you do that. So if this helps you, make sure you leave a like, consider subscribing to help us get to 1,000 subscribers. So in the center, right next to the gear selector, you will see a button. That button says drive mode. All you have to do is hit that button to switch between the different drive modes that your Kia has equipped. Now that varies from car to car. This car only has normal and sport. You may have comfort, eco, or all the other drive modes that Kia has available. It depends on what your car has equipped, okay? So just keep hitting it until you get back to normal if you want to get to normal or to whatever desired drive mode you want. So if this video helps you, make sure you leave a like, consider subscribing, and I will catch you on the next one.